welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? As you can tell from the title of this video that I will be doing autumnal night routine. So as you can tell, you met me doing my dinner already, so I'm just in the process of washing my potato and putting it to cook while I attempt chopping my chicken up. So I'm just going to cook my potato for like 20 minutes. So I'll go ahead and open my chicken. So basically the chicken is quite thick because this is chicken breast. I'm just going to go ahead and slice it to be thinner. The reason why I'm doing it like this, I just want the sauce to penetrate into the chicken so that it can marinate really deeply. So yeah, that will be good that will be so good. And I want the chicken to be cooked so quickly as well. I don't want it to be too dry. I'll be using this sauce to marinate the chicken. So I'll let that one sit for like 10 minutes. Usually when I'm not like busy, I do it like in the afternoon so that the sauce can really penetrate. So I'm just going to set my peas, my frozen peas aside. So I would grill my chicken now. Yeah, usually it take like 5 minutes to grill, maybe on one side 5 minutes or even less, so depending. But for me, I do not like my chicken breast to be dry. So my peas is done. I just literally put my peas in the microwave. So I'll be using this lemon and herb sauce to eat my food. So it was so delicious and so succulent. Perfect. Hi guys, I am so out of breath. I've just taken my my jewelry and everything out, and my food had settled a bit, so this is the time I'm going to pamper myself. I'm absolutely tired. I can't wait to indulge myself in a nice bath and really pamper myself. So I try to do this spa whenever I can, really, you know, sometimes once a week or sometimes once in 2 weeks. Anyway, let me just take you through the process of how I chill out, how I pamper myself in this autumnal weather. So let's just go. So I'm just going to go down to my bathroom. Here we go. So right now I'm in my bathroom. I'm just going to take off my makeup. So I'll be using the Lancome Micellar water. So it's written in French, so I'll just be using that to take off my makeup. Oh, I love this water. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face. Kleenex bar soap to wash my face. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, that's better. That's absolutely better. I'm just going to take my flannel and dry my face. This is nice and clean. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to start running my bath. My face is all nice and clean. The next thing that I'll be doing, I'll be putting my face mask. My bath is running, so before I wait for my bath to be all nice and full, I'm just going to apply that face mask. So the Clinique Pulse Redefining Solution, and it's the charcoal mask. So I'll be using this for my face tonight. So I'll just let that one to dry in. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to file my feet while I'm still waiting. Shima Bath Crystal. Oh my god, that was such a nice and relaxing bath. I was there for like an hour. I couldn't believe it. I was even falling asleep. Anyway, this is a really nice evening for me. I'm going to sleep like a baby. I'm just going to clean my face. By the way, I'm just using the Clinique number 2. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit dark here in the bathroom. Probably I should switch on my lights now. Yeah, that's better. You could just hear the fan running a little bit, but it's okay. So I'll just go ahead and clean my face still. Oh, I'm so relaxed. I love my bath time. It's just like, it's the best. So relaxing after a long day with the kids. It's just so nice to treat yourself like this. I like doing this like the weekend as well. It just really is better. So I will go ahead and spray myself with my rose water, glycerin rose water. Just massage that in. Oh, that's so reviving, trust me. And the candles, everything smells so nice. If you're here right now to smell the way this bathroom, the smell in this bathroom is divine, trust me. So I'll go ahead and apply my Dior Capture to Tell on my face. Ah, that's so nice. So I'm going to go to my dressing room, put on the most coziest pajamas, lay my hands on, because tonight I'm going to watch a movie. But before I watch a movie, I will definitely make myself a nice tea. So yeah, let me go ahead and go put on my pajamas. So guys, I'm just like literally chilling a little bit. I'm absolutely relaxed now. It's just amazing. Really is nice to pamper yourself. By the way, if you want to see how this tea is made properly, is by one YouTuber. She did a recipe how to reduce your bloating fast. I'm going to drop her YouTube page below so that you can check her out. She's called I Am Judith Fit. I Am Judith Fit. She's an amazing YouTuber and she does some really nice healthy food and exercise. So I'll drop a link below. Falling in Love. This is a nice movie. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun doing this video. As you can see, I can't even talk. I am so relaxed now. I just want to watch my movie and fall asleep. Until next time, everybody. By the way, if you know you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm trying to get my subscribers count to 2,000. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Let's build this channel together. Until next time, bye bye.